everyone, welcome back to my channel Athena's Home Organizing. So there are only a few more days left, right, for the new year to begin, and hope you guys are ever ready to welcome the new year 2020 with lots of joy and happiness. In fact, this current year 2019 for me basically there were good times which I'm really grateful for, and they were not bad times. There are no such thing called bad, but they were difficult times. But it all depends upon how you face the situation. No matter how difficult life is, just need to keep on moving forward and stay positive. There will be a lot of people to let you down, but just don't get disappointed by all that. Just stay positive and think that you are strong enough and nobody else can let you down. So just deal with it. So that's it. This is how life is. Life is full of ups and downs. So just be happy all the time and try to stay positive. Anyway, before this year 2019 ends, I thought I'll just put one more vlog on how to organize the different collections of earrings which you're having, and on how to organize your perfumes. So I'm going to show you basically 3 DIY ideas, out of which the first 2 ideas on how to organize your earrings is my own personal ideas, and the third idea is an inspired idea. Anyway, for those people who are new to my channel is all about home organizing. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I really require your support, so please comment down below whether you like it or not. I really do want to know about your feedback, and let's quickly jump into it without wasting another second. So that's it. So if you have like these small stud earrings, literally, if you don't have any idea, there are 2 DIY methods which I'm going to show you, so which makes it easier to organize these small earrings. So one is this one. This frame I had with me for a long time, so I thought of, I'll tell you how I'm going to do. I'll show you. In fact, this is one way of arranging my earrings. Another way is with this wire net. You can see this wire net.
Yeah.
Yeah. So with these 2 methods, I'm going to arrange all those earrings which I have it here, and let's see how it looks. So let's get into it. So this is the first technique on how I organized my small earrings. Basically, if you have these kind of small studs, if you display it in this manner, trust me guys, it is going to be easily available right in front of you. Even if you have a small cardboard piece or anything, just hang these earrings, make a small hole and just hang these earrings like this, display it and just hang to your wall. See, so this is the final view on how I organized my earrings. Basically, with this wire net organizer, 3 ways inside this you can organize your accessories. First way is like you can use this pin and hang the earrings as it is. I basically like to display all my earrings like this, because when you buy, you get this kind of cardboard piece which I don't like to throw it. I love to display all my earrings as it is. It looks more beautiful in this way. That's the first way. The second method, you can hang these long earrings by just hanging them here. So this is the second way of organizing your accessories by using this wire net. And third, you can hang your other accessories like chains, anything. So basically this wire net is really useful. So the first 2 ways on how to organize your earrings I've literally shown you, and this is next to my dressing table. I've hanged them next to my vanity, so that's going to be very easy for me. Anyway, now coming to the next one. So another thing is, if you want to use these perfumes easily, you really need to get rid of these covers and arrange it properly so that you can use them easily. So I'm going to get rid of these covers and show you how to organize. So as mentioned earlier, for arranging my earrings, I showed you that I use a photo frame system, right? Yes, for here also, for organizing the perfumes, I'm going to show the same way. I'm going to use it as a tray, and see now inside I'm going to put, trying to make it look like a luxury. I'm going to put a small poster of Chanel. I just This is a frame. I got it ready now. Okay, so I got a printout as I said, and I put it inside the frame. So now it looks little more luxury, right? Okay, this is how to, there is a saying, right? Fake it till you make it. Yeah. Anyway, so now I'm going to arrange the perfumes which I'm having. I'll show you. Here you go, guys. This is the final look on how I organized all the perfumes which I'm having. Wow, this looks cool, right? So hope you enjoyed watching my DIY ideas. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And wishing everyone out there a wonderful year ahead to come. So always smile, be happy.